Hi, my name is Patricia Nelson, and I am a student of Dr. Jaegoo Lee in the class of Human Behavior and Social Environment. The title of my paper is A Multidimensional Timeline and Self-Reflection Analysis of Significant Life Events in Relationships to Personal Environment, Perspective, and Time and Environment. This research study was completed using a multidimensional timeline of self-reflection of significant life events that happened in my own personal life. Self-reflection, as you know, is a good strategy in understanding the biological, psychological, and social dimensions of an individual's problems. It also helps provide a better understanding of a person in environmental perspective. I expect that this research paper will help anyone who aspires to be a social worker recognize the events that what has happened in their life so that they may use appropriate prevention and intervention strategies. My two significant events involve around my grandmother's death and having a child at the age of 39. My grandmother's death, just to give you a little background, I was raised in a multi-generational situation which included my great-grandparents, my grandmother and mother, and two siblings. By my teenage years, I was living at home with my grandmother because my mother and two siblings had moved out. My great-grandparents had passed. I was comfortable, very comfortable, and all my needs were being met by my grandmother. However, during my first year at JSU, grandmother died. To add insult to injury, I discovered I was 6 months pregnant. Being financially unstable, I was looking for relief. I started smoking marijuana occasionally, not all the time, but of course this was a marijuana age, so it was big on looking for relief in different forms of marijuana. I felt like I needed a break, so I dropped out of school. Because I dropped out of school, I became depressed, and of course after the baby I had postpartum depression. At that time I felt hopeless, depressed, I felt insecure. I had no one to help me with the baby. I felt like it was impossible at this time to return to school. My other event was giving birth at the age of 39 years old. At that time, cut it.